Hello, my name is Robert and I'm a programmer, consultant and a LeSS trainer. So it's my fourth conference actually, and it was as good as any else. Like for me, LeSS conference is the event of the year. Just before this interview, I was in the current architecture workshop by Craig Larman, and it was mind-blowing, and I'm still processing it because it's happened shortly before, and I will definitely use it in my future career. I would like to especially address people from the Czech Republic because the next conference will be in Berlin, which is very close to Czech Republic, so don't hesitate and use the opportunity that it's so close and come.